Hey guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make this delicious catfish pepper sauce. So yeah, if you're tired of making the basic tomato stew and you want something new and very tasty, then this video is for you. So in our pan we'll add our vegetable oil, and then we'll throw in our bay leaf. And here, our purple onion will be going in with our finely chopped, yeah, finely chopped purple onion. After which, we'll be going in with our curry powder, yeah, just a little curry powder, some rosemary for taste, and we're going to fry this up together. We're just going to stir and stir so that the whole spice will get into the oil. That's the point of all this. So fry, and after which we're going with our chopped tomatoes. So you see how you see this beauty? Yes. So yeah, we're going with our tomatoes, and we'll stir this up. You know, you see how there's water because tomatoes have water. So we're not going to be covering the spots. We're going to leave it open and allow it to fry because we're frying. We're not cooking. So after frying for a while, this is what you have. This is what you will have because this is what I have. I don't know if that makes sense. So yeah. So after a while, this is what you're going to have. You're still going to see the water of the tomatoes. You can see. We're going to allow this to fry till we have oil on top of the stew, something like this. Yeah, you can see the oil now. It's more defined. This is after frying for like 5 minutes or so or more. Sorry, I wasn't keeping track of the time. So yeah, now we're going with our roughly blended pepper. And now, babes, if you don't really like hot food, if you're not really good with spicy food, don't add too much pepper, okay? Just the quantity that is enough for you is fine. And then we're going to stir this up together. You see how finely, you know, see how beautiful it's looking. Yeah, I know, right? So yeah, we're going to go in with our seasoning cube. We're going with our Knorr seasoning cube, and this is the chicken flavor. I would just, drop that in, and then we'll go with a little salt. This is not up to a tablespoon of salt. I'm not doing too much of seasoning because we know our health. God, I have to stop saying but yeah, you already know basically. So we're going in with our smoked catfish. I actually cut off the head because I will not be needing the head for this recipe. But if you want to, then you should go ahead and add your head in it. Not your head though, the catfish head. And I went in with my boiled eggs. So yeah, because why not? And now we're going to stir this. Please, when doing this, you have to be very careful because you don't want to end up with a broken catfish. So yeah. And if you watched this video to this point, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Now we'll be going with our roughly blended crayfish, and we'll add this in and we'll stir carefully, guys. And yes, guys, you can have this with your boiled yam and boiled plantain as well. And if you like fries, you can also have this with fried potatoes and yam or plantain. So yeah, we've come to the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Love you.